Hi Derek, I just thought I'd do this quick video for you. I'm going to do a proper one for the make public on YouTube later, but just for now this is for you. In the GU10 lamp holders at the moment are the two Osram SuperStar Par16 lamps that I've sent you the link to. They're currently off, obviously, but that's quite important when you look at the other lamps. So the dimmer's set at 0%. I've got on this button here a dim up, dim down command, so it'll only dim for as long as I'm holding the button. So if I hold it briefly, it should take it to, there you go, that's probably about 2 or 3%. And that in the room, that's quite bright. It's not halogen dim by any stretch of the imagination, but it's certainly not at the lamp's full power. So if I press it again, it'll go down. There you go, and if I press and hold it, it'll dim all the way up. And you can see the background getting darker as the camera corrects for the brightness. And that's at full power because you can see the LED is now full on as opposed to flashing. And that's what could be described in the room as F bright. So if we dim it back down again, you'll slowly see the background coming up as the light level's dropping. And then that's out. There you go. I need to get a light meter, I think, so I can actually tell you the lumen output. But according to the paperwork, no, it doesn't actually. I can't see inside. Oh, there it is. Lumens, 575 lumens, 1439 CD, whatever CDs are. I'll do a bit more of that. And then, just because I'm feeling groovy, this is a prototype I built for a client. They wanted this all around the front door. So this is the addressable LEDs I talked to you about. It's really easy to do. If you're already doing LEDs for bars and restaurants, this is so easy. All right, cheers, buddy. Bye-bye.